If you want to learn how to make $7,000 a month with free traffic automatically and make passive income every single month, make sure that you watch this whole entire video because I'm going to show you step by step how to make that happen. People are making loads of money, hundreds of thousands of dollars on YouTube by uploading videos that they didn't even make and videos that make them so much money. So make sure that you watch this whole video because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, and you guys are going to love this. I'm telling you. This is a complete gold mine. This is a serious way people are making full-time incomes on YouTube. So make sure that you pay attention and watch the whole video. Okay, so this is with weight loss, guys. We're going to type in weight loss, and this is what comes up. You can see that these videos, we're actually going to filter this by view count and look at this year. So these videos are getting, hold on guys, we're going to go to this year right here. Okay, so these videos here are getting 56 million views in the last 9 months. That's a lot of views, guys. 8.7 million views in the last 7 months. So clearly the weight loss niche is a way to really tap into a huge market, guys. These videos are getting tons of views, so by all means, if you start making a channel within this niche, you're gonna make a lot of money. So you can see right here, this video has 3.6 million views within the last 4 months, 3.5 million views. Guys, this is crazy. So if we come here and go to this channel right here, they have the thumbnail of like before and after, so we're gonna go to their channel and look at it and see what they are doing. So this channel is getting lots of views. Let's go to their about to see how much money they've made. So they have 293 million views in total on their channel, and that means that they've made way over $400,000 by all means on their channel. And you can see that they're just making videos like 9 back workout mistakes, 3 steps to lose chest fat. And guys, you don't have to make videos exactly just like this, but this is just an example of what is possible, what you can use for inspiration for your channel. Advertisers pay a lot of money with these weight loss videos because it's a specific niche and they know exactly what they're going to be putting on your videos. So you're going to have a higher CPM than a vlogging channel or a channel that deals with pranks or something like that. So this is an excellent niche to get into because you're really niching down and targeting a specific type of person. So your CPM is going to be pretty high. So this video right here got 4.8 million views, and I want you guys to see something. We're gonna go over to this video right here. You can see that they're using clips. There's literally no one in this video. They're just doing like a voiceover and putting weight loss tips on like in the video, right? So there's literally no one there's no one's face on the videos, right? You can literally take stock videos and make videos for yourself and make money from that. So 6 foods you should avoid. They're literally taking stock photos. Sorry guys, just want you guys to hear.
You have to stop eating.
They're taking stock videos, right?
And which foods to actually replace them with.
And doing a voiceover over it. So literally anyone can do this. These videos are really simple to make. I will show you exactly how to make them. And I'll also show you guys a tip that I want you guys to know in order to rank your videos and to make sure that they're getting found within search. So just keep on watching the video and I'll tell you guys about that tip later in the video. So yeah, these videos are super duper amazing. So you can see that right here, they were making videos, they're making thumbnails like this, but they figured out that these cartoony kind of thumbnails get way more views because this video right here got 84,000 views, and then they used this kind of thumbnail and it got 4.3 million views. So the cartoony kind of videos where they do like the before and after get way more views. So let's go to Social Blade to see how much money they are making. So it says right here that they got 11.3 million views in the last 30 days, and they are making between 3.6 to $57,000 in 1 month. Guys, this is someone's salary over and over again. So just imagine making that in 1 month. That is a lot of money, guys. And you can see right here that their channel is literally getting consistent views all the time. So they have 270,000 views, 245,000 views, 246. So every day they're getting more and more views. So this is an excellent niche to go into because clearly people need to always lose weight. And the reason why it's really smart to do this is because, guys, all the time people need to lose weight. It doesn't matter if it's summer or winter. There's always going to be someone that wants to lose weight, and that's a lot of people. A lot of people are always wanting to lose weight. So this channel right here, Brightside, is making videos using stock footage, right? They're using stock footage and doing a little voiceover over it. So just listen, guys.
Tell you to drink more water. A big regimen that you can add between
Literally using stock footage. These videos are really simple to make. Anyone can make them. You can literally go on Fiverr and hire someone to make them. Guys, you don't have to do any of the work on this, right? And you're probably wondering, how am I going to make these videos? Like, what am I going to put in them? All you have to do is literally copy what these people are doing, right? You have to you can literally come on their channel and kind of paraphrase what they're doing, make videos really similar to them. So we're going to go back here and look at another video. This video has 2.2 million views, 15 ways to lose more weight while sleeping. So clearly people are going to want to see what's in the video. Sorry guys, that's kind of loud. So again, they're using stock footage, right? They're using stock footage, and I'll show you exactly where to find these videos, but it's really simple, guys. And once you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your video, on your channel on YouTube, you can then start making money with this technique, right? So you can then start putting ads on your videos, and you can definitely make a lot of money with this. 10 simple habits to lose weight naturally. Let's see this right here.
Do you start a new diet?
And you could see right here that they have customized ads on their videos right here. So of course they are monetized.
Does it really work?
So these are really simple videos to make. Again, you can go on a site like Fiverr or Upwork and get someone to do it for really cheap for you. And the return on investment is going to be super high, because imagine making a video like this for $10, say, and then you end up making like $10,000 on one video. That is an excellent return on investment, right? And this is a passive source of income, because once you put the video on your channel, it's going to be making money for you for years to come, literally years to come, because people are always going to be searching for how to lose weight, 15 ways to lose more weight while sleeping, 10 simple habits to lose weight naturally. People are always going to want to watch videos like this, right? So you literally have to just copy thumbnails like this, make them super clickbaity. You can see that there's kind of like a theme. So they use the cartoony kind of thumbnails. This one has like a before and after, just 10 minutes in a day. This one has the X and the check mark on it. So it's kind of like a theme where people just like clicking on videos that have like the before and after kind of thingy on their thumbnail, right? So you can just literally copy. You don't have to copy exactly what these channels are doing, but you can take inspiration from them. Just do something that's really similar to them, right? And if you want to go on Google, Google is literally your best friend. Just type in how to lose weight on Google, and there are loads of tips on how to lose weight on Google. So we saw how much this channel right here was making. They have really pretty thumbnails that people are just inclined to click on, and you can literally do that. So once you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start putting ads on your video, and then you can join the YouTube partner program. And even now, you can still join it, despite this situation right here that we're going through. We all know what's going on right now. But guys, I literally had a channel monetized within like a day and a half. So it went into review and then got monetized within a day and a half. So it doesn't matter that we're in this time right now. Just make sure that you get enough watch hours and subscribers, and you will be able to join the partner program. Now, if you want to figure out how to make these videos right here, especially like these ones, they're using stock footage, right? So we can go to a site called Pexels, and all you have to do is type in weight loss, and there's a lot of videos that you could use. These are stock footage videos that you could use for free. So right here it says free to use. So you type in weight loss and then you see someone just exercising. So you could definitely use this video within your YouTube video, and you're not going to get any copyright strikes or anything like that, because you have a license to use this video. It says right here, free download. So you're not going to have someone coming after you years from now saying that you didn't give them credits on your video. So here's another video right here that you could use. It's completely free to use. So you could take these videos, string them together, and do a voiceover over them and put words over them with tips, really simple tips. It doesn't have to be anything crazy, anything complex. Literally just copy what these channels are doing. Guys, I literally always say, just copy what is working. These channels are making super simple videos that you can make as well. And guys, I want to show you how smart this channel is right here, because they are not only taking advantage of the ads, but they have links in their description as well. So they're doing affiliate marketing also. They have like free 6-week challenge, and clearly they're making money off of this. So these are super duper smart channels that you should be copying. And yeah, guys, this is an excellent way to make money. So again, all you have to do is, if you want to make the videos yourself, of course you don't have to, but if you want to make them yourself, which you definitely could, you just take these videos, string them together, and do a voiceover over them. If you want to pay less, you can even decide to do, like, string them together yourself in a video editor, and then get someone to do a voiceover from Fiverr or Upwork or freelancers.com, and they'll do it for you for really cheap, literally $5 per video, and you can start uploading them onto your channel and start making lots of money. So the bright side makes a lot of weight loss videos because they know that the CPM is really high, and you can make a lot of money from just a little bit of just a few views, right? You don't need a lot of views to make money. So they are getting a lot of views, so they're making way more money, right? So just make sure that your thumbnails are super clickbaity and make people want to just click on them. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, just make sure that you check the link in this description below for my #1 recommended tool. Guys, I really recommend this tool if you're just starting out on YouTube and you want to get your videos ranked within the search. You're going to need this tool by all means, because it's going to save you so much time, so much hassle. You're going to be ranking within the search on YouTube, and you're going to know exactly which keywords to use. So I highly suggest signing up for that program. It's not a program, it's just a tool. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.